So you want coffee and protein? You gotta try this. What's up everyone, it's Jean here from Authentic Energy. Welcome back to my channel. Every week I give you the best tips to help you become healthier and happier, and also you get the best tips on personal wellness and personal success. Now today I'm going to show you guys this amazing Herbalife high protein iced coffee, and I'm gonna show you two ways you can make this high protein coffee that suits your lifestyle. And we're gonna do one cold one, iced coffee, and one hot one.
So this Herbalife iced coffee is very high in protein. Each serving contains 15 grams of protein, and it's very low in fat. And it only contains 1 gram of sugar and no added color. It contains minimum ingredients, and it is very suitable for vegetarian. So those of you who are coffee lovers, you're gonna love this healthy version, this nutritious and healthy version of coffee.
The first one, we're gonna make a cold one, an iced one, and it's so simple. All you need is amazing high protein coffee mix, water, and some ice cubes. I mean, those of you who don't like iced, you can actually just, take away the ice cubes. Simply water and your mix. Okay, let's make it. So I'm getting my scoop ready. So when you open the packet, you will find a very nice scoop. So all you need is just 2 flat scoops, or you can do heaping scoops if you want extra of the protein mix, the high protein coffee mix. But we're not gonna do the powder first, we're gonna do our water first. As our general rule is you always put the liquid in first. So those of you who don't have blender at home, yes, you can blend, but let's make it simple. All you need is just to stir them together. So I do suggest everybody to use a shaker. And how much water you need? It is suggested by the package that you need about 250 ml to 375 ml of water. So for today's demo, we're gonna do 300 ml. Okay, so I think that's pretty fair, okay? Because we're gonna put some ice in there, so we don't want to fill up to the top. Okay, so that, and now we're going to put the powder in here. Okay, oh, I can already smell it. That fragrance. Oh yeah, coffee and chocolate maca. It's heaven. I can't wait. Okay, and then you can just drop a couple of ice cubes in here. I'm just gonna put 2. I'm not gonna go crazy with it. Okay, so close your shaker lid, and you can start shaking. Okay, you can do a little. Okay, I'm not the best, but ooh, look, the color's changing now. Okay, just give it a good shake. Okay, now you can see we have this beautiful iced coffee in seconds, literally, or 1 minute if you want to add up all the steps together, and then enjoy it. You can enjoy it straight from your shaker cup. I'm in love. Oh my god, you know what? A lot of you guys probably didn't know that I don't normally drink coffee because I'm actually allergic to the caffeine. But somehow with the Herbalife high protein coffee, I don't really get the jittery. I don't really get that caffeine reaction. It must have something to do with the protein. Okay, and also with the low sugar too. Okay, so look at this. This is so amazing. I can really drink this all day. Okay, so this is how you make the cold one. It's very simple, right? Literally 1 minute or less. Now, I can show you guys how you can make the hot one. Okay, some of you are probably thinking, hot one? Don't I just add hot water? Yes, you can do that. Just hot water, same amount or a bit less if you like a bit more concentrated. With the coffee mix, you can do that same thing. Or you can actually do something that I'm gonna show you right now. Now I'm gonna show you how you can make a hot, high protein coffee. Okay, so it's very simple as well. All you need to remember is you need your coffee mix, you need a hot liquid base. So here we have hot soy milk. You can also use your cow's milk, your dairy milk, or you can use any type of nut milk of your choice, or you can use simply hot or warm water as well. Okay, and we're gonna bring another guest star here, which is our seasonal pumpkin spice shake, our F1 shake. So in a minute, we're going to combine the F1 pumpkin spice shake together with our high protein iced coffee together and the milk to create our own seasonal pumpkin spice latte. Woohoo! Okay, so now let's go and make this amazing hot beverage. Smells so good. I can really smell the pumpkin spice and the maca together, and I'm really ready to drink it. You know, you want a full cafe experience, you have to get yourself a very nice mug. And when you pour this out, look, it's perfect amount. Beautiful. Look at that froth. And if you do want an extra, you can sprinkle some cinnamon powder on top, right? Or some turmeric powder if you like, and just enjoy this hot beverage in cold winter's day. You don't need to go down to the Starbucks, you know. Create your own Starbucks experience, but with the Herbalife high protein coffee. So beautiful. I love it. There you have it, the hot version where you can blend it with our F1 shake, especially the pumpkin spice for our beautiful seasonal Christmas and winter days. And you have your cold version, which we also made with ice and water. Oh, still very cold here. You have so many choices here. And of course, there are a lot of recipes out there from the Herbalife website that you can download, because with this high protein coffee, you can make a lot of other recipes, such as chocolate cheesecake. Wow, I mean chocolate coffee cheesecake, coffee ice cream, coffee mousse, and also hot chocolate pudding warm drink. That is so amazing. Okay, so I do want you guys to try the different recipes. You can try the 2 recipes that I show you today, or you can go and try one of the dessert recipes that you can find online. If you do want the recipes, you can drop me a comment and I can email you the coffee recipes if you haven't got already. And before we go, I do want to mention that the Herbalife high protein iced coffee is available in 2 different flavors. So here we have maca. This is my favorite because I love the chocolate. And also in Canada and US, we have another flavor, which is the house blend. Okay, so there you have it. And remember, this is very, very high in protein, low in fat, and it's only what, 1 gram of sugar. Seriously, no added colors, and it's very low in calorie. 100 calories right here. It's written here on the package. Right? So, you know, those of you who want to get this, you can definitely check out my Herbalife product link in the description, and you can order this today and enjoy your own in-house, creative, yummy, high-protein coffee. Okay, so I hope everybody enjoyed today's recipe episode. And if you want to see more Herbalife recipe and Herbalife weight loss videos from me, do let me know in the comment below. And if you like this video, please click the like button, comment and share. And of course, if you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you smack that subscribe button and hit the notification bell, because I come here 3 times a week to give you the best tips to help you become healthier, happier, and more confident. All right, so I hope you all enjoyed this episode, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.